Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to customize the GoHighLevel dashboard so you can organize your workspace, track what matters most, and manage your business more efficiently without getting lost in the menu. First off, log into your GoHighLevel account and go to the dashboard section. You'll see a list of default widgets like appointments, tasks, and leads. Here's the trick. Click the Edit Dashboard button. Now you can add, remove, or rearrange widgets based on what you want to see first. Next, choose from available modules like Calendar, Leads, Sales, Funnels, or Team Activity. Drag and drop them into your preferred layout. Don't forget to rename tabs or create new ones for different roles, like Sales, Marketing, or Client Management. You can also customize lead pipelines, task views, and calendar settings to match your workflow. Once done, hit Save, and your personalized dashboard is ready to go. So should you feel overwhelmed with too much info? Not anymore. Just follow these steps and make GHL work for you. Let me know in the comments what widgets you added or removed. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.